Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Delay by Zapier. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to create a time gap between actions in your automation, like waiting a minute before sending an email after updating a spreadsheet. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all your automations live. Now, you'll either open an existing Zap you want to edit or create a brand new one. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're starting fresh. Click on the option to create a new Zap, which will take you to the Zap Editor interface. In the Trigger Steps section, click on Choose App and Event. This is where you define what action will start your automation. From the list of available apps, click on Google Sheets. This will be the trigger that kicks off everything else. Under the Trigger Event dropdown, select New Spreadsheet Row. This means every time a new row is added to your sheet, the automation will run. If you're prompted to sign into your Google account, go ahead and do that, then click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll need to pick which Google Sheet and which specific worksheet you want to monitor. Select the appropriate options from the dropdowns and click Continue. This ensures Zapier knows exactly where to look for new data. Now click Test Trigger to make sure everything is connected properly. Zapier will pull a sample record from your sheet. Select that sample record and click Continue with selected record. This confirms your trigger is working correctly. Time to add the delay feature. Click on the next action step and select Delay by Zapier. This is the core of what we're setting up today. Under Action Event, select Delay 4, which allows you to specify how long the automation should pause. Click Continue and you'll see fields to configure the delay. In the Time Delayed for Value field, type 1. Then open the Time Delayed for Unit dropdown and select Minutes. This tells Zapier to wait exactly 1 minute before moving to the next step. After setting that up, click Continue. Now we'll add what happens after the delay. Click the plus icon to add another step below the delay Zap, then click Choose App and Event again. This time, select Gmail from the list of apps. Under Action Event, select Send Email. This is what will happen after the 1 minute delay. If prompted, sign into your Gmail account and click Continue. Now you'll fill in the email details. In the To field, type the email address where you want the message sent. In the Subject field, type something descriptive, and do the same for the Body field. These fields define what your email will look like when it's sent. Click Continue once you've filled everything out. At this point, your Zap is fully configured. At the top of the Zap editor, click Publish to activate your automation, and there you have it. Now, whenever you add a new row to your Google Sheet, Zapier will wait 1 minute before sending your email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.